Hey Munchkins, what it is, Wagwana. Back with another one. What I got for you today? What we got for you today? We got some lettuce wrap goodness. I'm gonna get into what's inside it. So we're gonna get the blessedness so we can get the munching and chatting. Munching and chatting. Amen, amen, amen. So yes, my lovelies, what's up, Munchkins? What you doing? How you doing? How your mama doing? How your daddy doing? If you're new here, go on Be True here, hit that subscribe button and bell so you can be notified. Come join the mob, munch with me, baby. We be eating good over here. Let me show you how good we eat. Let me show you. Let me show you. Look at it. Look at it. My cuticles is jacked up. Don't judge me. Look at that. What? What? We got corn, mozzarella cheese, fried rice from yesterday's videos because we do leftovers over here. We make good use of it. So, fried rice and chicken from yesterday and some, it's called Karela. It's like a cucumber, but it could be bitter, but it's good for you. It's very good for you. I'm recently getting more into it. I wasn't always a lover of it. It's kind of like an okra thing. Like I really want to enjoy okra. I really want to try okra and like actually eat it because I enjoy it, but I know that is not going to be the case yet. I haven't matured enough mentally to get there. So let me take a bite. Ooh, let me take a bite. Look at that. Look at that. Are you seeing it? Oh, can you see? Oh shit. Can you see it? Can you see it? I gotta bite it. It's gonna fall. I gotta bite it. Alright. Okay. Alright. I'm so excited. Okay, wait. I want that to be further down. I feel like it's not filled all the way through. And that's why it's being so messy. Okay. That way I don't have to fold it. What? What? Come on, son. Who's using their noggin? Who's using their noggin? Me. I am. Alright. Okay. Alright, I'm excited. Oh, it's falling apart. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm a that glow. That glow. You have the power, the inspiration. What? And give me. And now look how the sun came out just to shine on it. You see it? That's Jesus. And that's the good Lord. Telling you, it's the healthy vibe right here. I'm getting it. Started doing my squats and drinking more water. Oh, this is so good. Only thing is, I wish I could have took the vein out. I mean, how to make this without the vein in it. Let me know. This is romaine hearts. Ah. I fell on the plate. I'm gonna still eat it. It's romaine hearts. But I've had a different kind of leaf. I should have did it with a cabbage leaf maybe. Like a blanched cabbage. Because the vein is so bitter. It's still good, but right? That's all good. Some sour cream, corn, fried rice, fried barbecue chicken tenders, shredded, and Karela. With Karela and mince. I put it all in here. It's Monday. I'm getting rid of all them Sunday leftovers. Let me let this boat. Oh no. Alright. So, if you haven't already tried your free trial offer for Quibi, go do that. It's like, I thought it was going to be like this big commitment. Oh no. The video is not sponsored, but it should be. But I just like it because it's like TV shows, but they're only like 6 to 8 minutes long. It's entertaining as hell. It's definitely something that will keep you into it. Like, you know, in this quarantine, the attention span is not as, you know, it's not as long as it usually, you know what I'm saying? People's interest level and something is very, like, attention spans right now, very, like, you know, you gotta grab me, gotta keep me in there, and then I'm out. So it's like 6 to 8 minute long episodes of just these funny, crazy shows. I've watched like 8 shows already. And you know what I'm saying? I'm going to miss it when it's gone because I'm not paying. I think it's like $9.99 or maybe $4.99. I really don't know how much it is. But I'm enjoying the free trial offer. Thanks. So I'm not even the one that's going to have to pay for it. She signed up for it. But it's good. Quibi, check it out. It's funny. They do have some funny shows on there. Right now, I'm watching Flipped. If you haven't seen it, it's about this couple. They want to make an audition tape for a home improvement show. They buy a house out in the desert. They start renovating it, and they find a wall full of money. I'll leave it there. I'm just saying, you know what comes with a wall full of money. You gotta know what comes with a wall full of money. I'm just saying. You go somewhere, it's in the desert, I'm just saying. Them, not so much. I really don't want the rib, the spine, whatever you call it. I'm not gonna eat it. I'm not gonna eat it. To the rescue. Oh my god, it was so good. Oh my god, you gotta try it. It makes me feel in touch with my health. There's a lot going on in it, but I'm eating it out of a piece of lettuce, which makes me feel extremely healthy. Go and try it. You might like it. Oh man. Oh man. Alright. It's just so birdie. Like, are y'all seeing this? I gotta get it to where you guys can see. Can you see that? Yeah. There you go. Take a bite. You see that wonderfulness? It's just good. It's just good stuff, man. This is what good stuff is made of, man. It's all healthy and pretty. Oh, and definitely filling. Definitely filling. I'm going to work really hard on this one right here. Because I'm full. Not full, but it's hitting. Y'all know when it start hitting. Oh, it's so good. All right. You with me? You ready? Oh, everywhere. In the world to be loved, danger. Mm. Mhm. 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 Mm. 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 Ah. 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 Look at that. I'm more hot this time. Was you hot this time? Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Hey, I'm telling you, it gives you workout vibes. Definitely try it. Mm. Mm. Mhm. Mm. Shout out to Sunshine Peoples. Y'all go check out her channel, y'all. So sorry I haven't been able to hit up the game net, guys. Coming soon. Coming soon. Shout out to Rico Bizarre Foods. Y'all go check him out. HCL Ladybug. Y'all go check out her channel. CC's Uncut. Mm. Mm. Make sure y'all tell her Munchie with Max sent you. This thing is good. Mm. Mm. Shout out to my girl Alana T. Glad to have you back. Mm. This will be bugging. Mm. Oh, it's so good. And when you get to that sour cream, though. When you get to that sour cream, though. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. It's crazy. It's crazy. You get to the sour cream. You're like, oh my God, it's like so creamy and delicious. And then I got the rice and the chicken. And it's like, oh my God, it's just mixing. Bars. Did y'all hear that? Bars. That was for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. That's hitting, guys. So, if nobody else is searching for the day, let me be the first to say, you are loved. I love you. God loves you. You out here making it happen every day without bringing hurt or harm to yourself or anybody else. And for that reason, I love you. And whoever you choose to be the head of your spiritual life loves you as well. I mean, I hope you came here to do it. I know you came here to do it. Go on into it. Lord, Dad. Shout out to at Mr_Hotspot for giving me that wonderful way to spread smiles. If you haven't already done for that, go tell somebody you love them. We ain't promised tomorrow. Mm-hmm. And do it while you can. Make it count. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. I'm trying, guys. When I got there, y'all see how big these boats is. That's what I kept calling them. I was like, hey, babe, you want a boat? He was like, I can't swim. He's so cute and corny. Yes, so I hope you enjoy much of me, because I definitely enjoy much of it you. I think this ate what on my burger, but I don't want the rib. I don't want the rib. I really don't. I feel like it's a waste of a lettuce. No. No. Jacking him up. Look, who wants that? Who wants to eat that? It's so thick and I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that. I kind of want to take another bite of this one now. Maybe see, it's healthy. So it's kind of tricking me into thinking I'm full and I'm not full. But then I want to be healthy about it, so I don't want to overindulge. I'm definitely feeling it. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I did good. I ate two. I did good. I even told Babe I probably wasn't gonna eat the third one because I knew it. I kind of felt it. I want to though, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna overindulge. Two is enough. That is what being healthy is about. Setting limits, not necessarily depriving yourself, but eating smart, being smart about it. You don't want to overdo it, and then you're like, oh, I did a 20-minute workout and then just ate for 30 minutes, and kind of doesn't balance out. So I am going to pull up, step back, and keep it at 2 because I feel satisfied. I feel content. I'm not starving anymore. My belly's not growling. You got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them. So, yes. Definitely check out some of those channels I mentioned. Check out the app if you like, little short, funny, quirky little shows. It's like got something for everybody's taste. Excuse me. See, I knew it was coming. I know it's full. Check out the app. It's Quibi, Quibi, and go to somebody that you love, because tomorrow's not promised to anybody. And so while you're here, you make sure that you spread love and not hate, and don't be a hater, guys. Haters are whack. Haters are whack. No cap. Haters are whack. If you're a hater, you're whack. Now is not the time to be a hater. Be a lover, not a hater. So go love something. Hit us up. That's that food drunk funny, yo. That food drunk funny. I know I was getting it. That's what I need some water too. There's a watered down iced tea. Those that know me and love me. Oh, go check out Life with Neek as well. What up, girl? Those that know me and love me, like Neek from Life with Neek, she will tell you that I do like my drinks watered down. I do. Shout out to Brooke, baby. Go check out her channel too. Brooke, upload something. I want to see you, girl. Put a video out there. Make a video. Let your light shine bright, girl. I love you, girl. I love you, Neek. I love you guys. I love you, fam. I love you, Munchkins. So, until we meet again, stay up, stay positive, stay happy, stay safe, wash those hands, and put your mask on when you go outside. Because now, I don't know, they trying to make this thing seem like it's airborne. So just be careful, guys. I love you, Munchkins. Until we meet again, I will see you when, where, same YouTube channel, same YouTube time. Bye, guys.